I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Hey y'all, it's your favorite cousin, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing my hair for 4th of July, which I don't even know how I'm doing my hair for 4th of July yet, but I know the colors. So let me show you. So luckily I didn't have to go to the store. I'm just using some hair that I already had. So I'm going to be using this 27, some of this 30, some 4, and some 613. And I also have boho hair to match every color. So right now it's between knotless and island twist. But we'll see. Okay, boom. So I've been mixing for a minute, and it's giving. I'm gonna add a little bit of the 350, which is like this color. I'm gonna add just the pinch, but also I do think I want the rest of the 613. I just feel like if I'm gonna go blonde, bitch, go all out. Ah! Okay, so now that I feel like I'm about 95% done, I might go in and do a little bit more of a razzle. But right now, this shit is fire. Oh, look. Oh, I'm not even a blonde girl. That's why I'm really scared. I was supposed to start my hair Saturday. But you know what? God still loves me. So I'm using this. This one is Freetress. I don't use 3 different kinds. As long as it's 100% human. Anywho, I just do the same thing that I did with the braiding hair. You just mix it. I didn't want to have like mixed braids and then a piece of blonde hair. That was gonna drive me through the roof. Something about this mix. Baby, let me drop my little girl off. I'll be back. I'm back. And another thing, I'm not using any 4-way mirrors. I was gonna have my homegirl come help me part. No. Like I said, I was supposed to start my hair Sunday. It's Saturday. However these parts look in the back, baby, that's just how they look. My hair is gonna be full enough to where you don't see it, and if you can see it, back the fuck up. Let's see. And not too much.
Who the fuck did your hair? What? No.
Oh, I thought somebody said something. I need this in before next Wednesday. And not only that, I got a client. I had one today. I got one tomorrow. I got one Monday. I got one Tuesday. And I got one Wednesday. So fuck these parts right now. It's just about getting the hair in. Today's Saturday, 2:09, and I'm starting the first. What am I doing to my hair? I think I'm gonna go with island twist. 2:09, first twist going in the head. Saturday. I had to make sure I say that. Gotta count the days. Whenever you add in curly hair, twist it in a couple times. Then pull it out. Now you know it's not going anywhere. Free game, free game. It's like 4:41 Sunday morning. This is what I got. Kind of curious. But not too much. I'm like considering doing some more. I got a client at 9:30 in the morning. So if I start my hair now, I'm literally gonna have to work until it's time to work. So I'm contemplating. I might pre-part. I could tell you what I'm about to do for sure. I had a change of heart, as you can see. I'm having a much better day now. I don't know what I'm doing with this mirror. And the only way I can seem to see my head is if I face the back one. You see my Hello Kitty mirror? Love that for me. Oh. Oh. Anyways. I parted out 6 rows, but it's giving finish in the morning. It is now Tuesday, 1:34 a.m. Meaning it was just Monday. But I gotta explain something to you. Sunday, I did not do any of my hair because I ended up booking a squeeze-in client. So it was either my hair or some dollars. I'm sorry, fuck me. Monday, however, I finished 2 rows. There's 4 more left. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I'm finishing my hair today. If I don't, I'm finishing it Wednesday. But I'm finishing today. Okay. So I'm pretty proud of this row. After this row, I'm gonna have 3 more. Okay, so I said I had 3 rows left, but I made it 4. As soon as I'm finished with this row, then I have 3 rows left. But guess what I'm about to do? Take a break. Duh. Sorry, I'm kind of not. It's what, like 4 o'clock? I already got an appointment at 9:30, an appointment at 11:30. I still gotta do my daughter hair, my boyfriend hair, my mama hair. It's Tuesday. 4th of July is Thursday. I'm gonna finish this row before I go to sleep though. Then I'll take a break. Today is now Wednesday, 10 a.m. I told y'all don't judge me. But listen, I only got 2 rows left. And hoes brought reinforcements. Oh, okay. And if you're wondering how it took 4 days to do my hair, bitches been booked the busiest 4th of July weekend. You know hoes ain't stopped celebrating 4th of July yet. That's funny. Y'all like, it's giving princess treatment. I'm just sitting here and getting my hair done. Watching, pick a side. Whose side you on, Breezy? Chaotic. Yeah, me too.
So help me God.
Is this another what's her name?
That's them. They doing a fucking ladder taker test.
Is this the one when he asked, did they eat bug?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah, that. Okay, hold on. I might have to quit the show because Chaotic said he can't be with nobody who don't eat ass.
Don't eat ass. Yeah, he was tripping. Yeah.
And you know what?
I can't be.
More power to the bit. More power to you.
But can we have 2 bitches, one that eat ass and one that don't? And let me be the one that don't.
Okay.
Cause what the fuck?
My thing is,
Eating a nigga ass is wild.
eating a nigga ass. Eating a nigga.
Look, you got it. Tranea. I'm telling you. During sex, say during while y'all in it. A nigga say he wants you to eat his ass.
I might throw up.
You not gonna do it?
Hell no.
I wouldn't even.
Eating the asses.
I'm getting up.
Crazy.
Butt naked. Yes.
You say you want me to do what?
Excuse me?
I'm a lady, like. How dare you? Eat your ass? That is crazy, like I said, more power to the bitches. I'm not saying y'all not ladies, but y'all like
Y'all do.
ladies. Y'all ladies. I'm a lady, like no.
I'm fucking Tranea, I'm not doing this with you today. Y'all have
I'm
to
sorry.
excuse me. You don't got no sense.
I'm a lady. Like
Y'all don't got no chill. That's what that is.
I can't reach in my merch for that one.
No. All right, shorty.
Boom,
They got me
boom,
crying.
boom, 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 boom. Oh, we almost. Where was you at Saturday?
I think I want. I really want a quick leave. So I thought about doing a ponytail. You won't give me
What are
bangs.
you wearing?
Why this bitch won't let me have bangs?
She can have bangs, but it's the summertime.
I just want a little.
We live in Tennessee.
Little scissor.
We live in Tennessee. Summertime, Tennessee. Bang. Are you kidding me?
Yeah. I just want.
Summertime, Tennessee. Bang.
Scissor.
Let's play that game.
What?
We say a word. 1, 2, 3, say a word.
Come on.
Come on.
I don't know how to really do it, Tranea.
Okay, we're gonna try again.
1, 2, 3.
Hair. Oh my God. Don't play with us.
No.
Bitches is here
No,
like.
seriously. That shit is crazy.
I must rehearse my lines. Okay, y'all, after 4 fucking days, thanks to my heavy machinery, Breezy, I couldn't do it on my own, but listen, now I'm about to curl my ends, and I'm trying to hurry up because, bitch, I need a drink after this. So I'm about to dip these, and I'll be right back. Hey, y'all, it's like a week later. I forgot to record. I needed to go have a drink, and it turned into me drinking for the next week. So now, look at my edges. I'm about to show y'all this masterpiece. You ready? Oh, I put this on every day to keep it like not frizzy. I'm proud of me because usually I don't wrap up my hair and my hair would have been fucked up by today. But guess what? It's not fucked up, but it's not fresh. But it is cute. I started off curling my ends. I really didn't like how that looked. Maybe my curlers were just too small. Probably need like some more more bigger elongated ones, you know what I mean? But all in all, it's giving African shop, like. So I got my hair done in 5 hours. 4 days, 4 days weird. This looks so good. This is your sign to learn how to do your own fucking hair. 4 days, I mean, that's not 4 days versus like $400. You choose. And then look at the color combo. Every color is visible. Bitch, you ate down, ho. Where the camera? You ate down, bitch. Well, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll know the next time that I post another video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.